So here I started to carve the veins on this Monstera leaf, and it is leather hard. It is a little bit on the soft side, but as I am carving, I know it's going to be drying a little bit more. So the optimum stage of the clay to carve would be at leather hard. And I'm using a diamond core carving tool called PF3, as you saw in the beginning. I put the number PF3. It comes to like a rounded edge, but really any loop, like a wire loop tool, would do the same effect. And so I decided to do this pretty deep, like grooves, because I am thinking about using some reactive glazes, like floating glazes, that I think it will look really nice with the texture of the leaf. And I will use like different shades of greens, and I might use some pinks as well, just to be colorful. And as you see, I did add a frog at the end, you see it. I sculpted that today, and I like to add a little frog. But the leaf looks pretty as it is too, without anything, like the one you saw when I was altering, the one I showed, the porcelain one. And for that one, I carved the very shallow veins because that's how I wanted. I wasn't going to glaze, so I decided to just make everything very soft and shallow. This one is different, so because I do want to glaze it and I want, a different outcome. So it all depends on the look that you want. You could just paint it with underglazes and then clear glaze over, or leave matte, just with the underglazes. That would look very pretty too. I debated between doing that and glazing it. I might still change my mind, I don't know. But for now, my idea is to glaze it. And I will show you guys the results as soon as I'm done, firing and glazing it. Just along with all the other things that I have to glaze as well. But I hope you guys enjoyed the whole process of altering and carving. I will be doing more. This one it's a very good project for a beginner. It's not complicated. The carving is very easy, as you can see. Like I said, you could use any kind of, even a trimming tool with a rounded corner. You could make those grooves just for a nice reaction with the glazes. So if that's what you're looking for, I will try to make all these mini tutorials so you can get a bigger picture of this process. It's not something that you rush through. When I throw on the wheel the piece, that's just the beginning. I always think of it as the tip of the iceberg, because that is really just the beginning. And then there is altering, carving, adding clay, removing clay, sculpting. So it is fun. It's a lot of fun. And I hope you can get inspired by my work and keep creating. I get motivated by just looking at nature. I am, as you can see, my pieces are very much nature inspired. And I love to sculpt. So I like challenges, and you do need to have patience. You can't really rush through these things. If you're interested on my workshops, I will be announcing the dates and times at the end of this month or beginning of March. And if you are a subscriber on my website, you will get an email with the dates before I announce everywhere else. So If you're interested in getting the workshop, you will be the first ones to be notified via email that way before it goes onto Instagram and Facebook. So I will speed up this video, and again, I hope you enjoyed, and feel free to send me any emails if you have questions or comments here. Please like and subscribe if you like my content. That really helps my channel. Thanks again. Bye-bye.
Everyone is so loud. I just want a little bit of peace and quiet. Keep it quiet. Give me a sense of direction. Give me some time for introspection. 'Cause I need to keep on going. I need to keep on going. I need to be a forward thinker. Don't give me what I want, just give me.
So this is my Monstera leaf after carving. And then I added a cute little milk frog, Amazon milk frog in it on the leaf. So I can't wait to paint it. He's gonna be painted with underglazes, and the leaf is gonna be just glazes, different color, greens. So, and I carved all the way on the back as well. And I had already trimmed the foot before. So I hope you enjoyed it, and let me know if you try. I would love to see your creations. Thanks for watching.